Welcome to this video tutorial. Today, I will teach you the steps on how to change your Facebook name easily. Follow these steps and don't skip any part of the video so you don't miss any important details. But first, we obviously need to log into our Facebook account at facebook.com. We are now here on our Facebook page. In the top right corner, you can see your profile picture. Just click on it and you'll see the options below. Settings and privacy, click it and you can see settings, language, privacy checkup, privacy center, activity log, and of course, Facebook feed. Click settings, where you can see a wide array of options inside settings and privacy, meta account center, tools and resources, privacy checkup, supervision, default audience settings. Let's scroll up and return to the account center. Click it. Now we are in the Meta Account Center, and at the bottom there are profiles and connected experiences. Under Account Settings, there are also password and security, personal details, your information and permissions, ad preferences, MetaPay, show your profile if verified, and accounts. So let's go back to the Profiles tab at the top and click on your Facebook profile. Once you click it, you will see other options such as name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Click the name option and you're done. Now we can change our Facebook name. Maybe I'll change this name Kratos into... never mind. Maybe I'll change the last name of this Facebook to Plays. Plays. Now we are done. The new name of this Facebook account is now Kratos Plays. Let's go back to the main page of Facebook to double check if the name has indeed changed. Because sometimes technical errors occur and changing the Facebook name can fail. So, let's double check it. Thank you for watching this entire video tutorial until the end. Your support helps grow my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload.